Well, it's a wet one here, boys. All right, we got 10 dumpers. 5 steel, 5 aluminum, 1 pick, 1 drop, all headed to out near Cape Cod, Massachusetts. So about 27 feet, 6,900 pounds. Yeah, so we're checking our straps now. Hold on. Need an extra hand. Checking our straps now, and I continue on the road. It's about 8 hours, 500 miles to our destination. Let's knock out some miles. Didn't even make it an hour into the trip. So it looks like this accident's on the other side of the road, and or did stuff come over in our lane? There's this big Jersey wall, but hard to tell. Looks like we gotta get over. Everybody else is getting over. Set you guys up here. Freaking motor fell out of the truck. Holy crap. See if we can't get over here. Must have just been him putting it in the wall. I don't know if he got cut off or something, but that's why our lane's blocked off. They're bringing more barriers in for the Jersey wall. Nothing like a nice rainstorm to really mess up your whole day. What I was saying earlier was this rain has turned an 8-hour trip into, from what the GPS says, about a 14-hour trip. That's not good. They're getting a stretcher out. What a mess. Just passed that accident a mile ago. Estimated time in traffic for this accident, 36 minutes. Why is there a tank on the side of the road? This just keeps getting better and better today.
To this channel for just over a year. During that time, I've received quite a few questions about how I create my content. And that's what I'm doing.
Have I become a little too shy for love? I've been hurt before. All's fair in love and war. So I snuggle up close to the shell I'm living in. If I let you in, another round begins.
different now. You got me floating here, a feather in the air. Oh, but when the wind blows, will I tumble or sail away? Or would you have me stay? And what if I escape? I know
I'm spinning in a vicious cycle. I'm scared of doing something I'll regret. Maybe this is right, but I'm still staring at.
Well, we made it. Waiting on this guy. I was here about a half hour ago and they said he's lazy. He doesn't show up till at least 9, which they're supposed to be open at 8. So I ran up to the grocery store here and grabbed some things. Some snacks for the truck, some beef jerky, some almonds. You know, trying to watch what I eat. But he's gonna move a set of these. They sell truck beds and boat trailers here. And he's gonna move a couple trailers for me so I can do like an S-turn and then back into his lot so he can unload me. Only thing I'm worried about, which isn't well, I guess it is my problem if he can't get them off, is the forklift he has is a little small. And you can't unstack these. Like, you gotta put them down on the ground and unstack them. Or unload them one by one with like a pettibone or a crane. They're not heavy, it's just tall. Because they are, hold on. The, looking at trying to see the weights on here. Well, maybe they're not all that heavy. I mean, the stack is 2,700 pounds and 3,300 pounds. Might not be too bad. We'll figure it out. He's moving these trailers now, so I'm back in here. Central Massachusetts. Oh, they got trucks parked over there. Central Massachusetts Auto Auction. Never been here before. Why did it say truck entrance down here if truck parking's over there? Oh well. We're not in the way. Run in here and see if we can get a gate pass quick. That doesn't look like fun. I think this is us here. Here, Adam. It's a 7.3. I'm sure you'll be taking this to Delaware. Pick up in Massachusetts and take it to Delaware. I'll take it to Pennsylvania and then to Delaware. So my winch got all twisted up the last time I used it. So I used this truck, put the winch on free spool and use this truck in reverse to unwind it. Because I'm gonna need this tomorrow. I just found out. So I figured I'd just get it done in case there was something I needed to take apart or more I was getting myself into. Dang, boys, look at that diesel price, $3.67. Hey Siri, where are we? We are in Montgomery, New York, according to off of 84, according to Siri. Pump price is $3.67, but fuel card is $2.96, so that's pretty good. That's also a JP Logistics truck out of California. They probably have millions of dollars worth of cars in that trailer. They haul some crazy high-end cars. There's nobody behind me right now, but yeah, this is JP Logistics. They have these fully enclosed rollbacks. They're out of California. You always see them. Well, that's a Chiron. I think a Chiron's $5 million, but yeah, they're always hauling high-end stuff. Thought it was cool to see one of their cars in New York. Well, what's the theme of this trip? Traffic. I took the long way home, away from the city, all the way out 84 to, I think it's 84 to catch 81 in Pennsylvania, instead of coming down by New Jersey. And here we are. And it's a bright sunny day. I guess that's a good part. Into a government facility. We're on public right now, so we're gonna let the camera roll. We're picking up a step van, an old step van for a new customer of mine. I've got a step van and 2 dump trucks to move for him today, and this step van doesn't run. At least he let me know that, so the winch is ready to go, and see what happens. Well, can't make this up. So, customer told me they were here 8:30 to 2, which they are. But the guy who is in charge of releasing these vehicles won't be here till 10:30. There it goes. It's 9:30 now. It was 9 o'clock when I got here and called him. So he says, yeah, he'll be there between 10 and 10:30. Why don't you just like go get breakfast or something? Oh, I have other stuff to do today. But I'm just gonna hang out here because this van I pick up goes to the location where when I drop the van, I reload right there with a dump truck, take it to a body shop, drop it off at the body shop, and then reload at the body shop and take it back to the original location. So there's no sense of leaving. I gotta go to that location to make my first pickup after this anyway. So we'll sit here and yeah, just wait. I'm gonna call him at 10 and tell him I'm just sitting outside the gate, so whenever the guy pulls in, because there's a bunch of people pulling in and just driving by, I want to tell him to you know, just stop and grab me when he pulls in, so he knows I'm actually here. But this security guard in this tower just keeps watching me because I haven't even walked up there yet. So we sit and we wait.